lipstick ah.
Hoy, wala daw lipstick. Still, look at the OOTD of the wife. Ano daw? Baggy pants?
Baggy pants, if you wear baggy pants, the rule is you have to wear
Fitted shirt?
fitted shirt.
OOTD for the day.
Baggy pants.
Today is Wednesday, June 17.
I'm
2 days.
supposed to have no work today.
2 days to go. Birthday na ng asawa. Who is gonna be 25 years old.
Yes, 25. And 25 younger. Use my lipstick.
Nililipislik daw siya. Kulang daw ng pula-pula yung bibig niya.
Yeah.
On the way to office. Uy, si Ketchers daw nanggagaya na ng ano, oh. Parang ano,
Imitation.
imitation ng On Cloud. I mean, why not, right? Yeah. That's the wife. On the way to office.